Listen to this every morning and let it push you to get your workout done. Wake up, another day, another chance to rise stronger than yesterday. Here's the truth. Motivation is a feeling, but discipline is a decision. If you're waiting to feel like working out, you'll wait forever. But if you decide to be disciplined, nothing can stop you. Today, I'm here to show you how to build the discipline that transforms your body, your mind, and your life. Feelings are fragile. They change with the weather, with your mood, with how much sleep you got. But discipline is steady. Discipline says, I move my body because I promised myself I would, not because I feel like it. The ones who succeed aren't the most motivated. They're the most disciplined. And you can be that person starting today. You don't need to crush 2 hours in the gym every day. Start with 10 minutes. 10 minutes of moving your body, pushing past excuses, honoring your health. The small choices compound into massive change. Discipline is built in the minutes no one else sees, those early mornings, those evenings when you'd rather quit. That's where champions are made. Discipline isn't about being superhuman. It's about building systems that make success automatic. Lay out your clothes the night before, put your sneakers by the door, set your alarm, schedule your workout like a meeting that can't be canceled. Stop relying on willpower. It's limited. Build systems so discipline becomes your default. Here's the secret. Don't just do disciplined things, become a disciplined person. Stop saying, I'm trying to work out. Start saying, I'm the kind of person who never skips movement. When you believe it, you live it. Romans 12:2 says, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Change your mind and your body will follow. Your brain will whisper, I don't have time. I'm too tired. I'll start tomorrow. But excuses are lies designed to keep you comfortable, and comfort is the enemy of growth. Next time you hear an excuse, flip it. I don't have time. Change this to, I have 10 minutes. I'm too tired. Change this to, I'll feel better if I move. Replace every excuse with truth and watch your discipline skyrocket. You are not doing this alone. Your strength comes from the one who created you. Philippians 4:13 reminds us, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That includes discipline, perseverance, and consistency. Let your workout be worship, an act of gratitude for the body you've been given. When you feel weak, lean into his strength. So here's my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, move your body for at least 10 minutes. No excuses. Write it down, schedule it, do it. Each day, declare this affirmation. I am disciplined. I am strong. God is with me. Discipline isn't built in a moment. It's built in the choices you make daily. Don't wait for tomorrow. Decide today, get up, move, and become the stronger version of you. Because discipline doesn't just build muscles, it builds character, confidence, and a life you're proud of. Play this daily, then move. Your workout won't do itself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like more daily motivation, exercise tips, and health resources like this one. Stay disciplined, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.